Hello, thanks for joining me for a quick little preview of an upcoming class about all those leftovers and a way to illustrate them in your sketchbook. You know, I've been accused of having a random idea generator in my head, and perhaps that's true, but I think we all do, and some of us have never really learned how to shut that off. So this is one of those. I would like to make a sketchbook page where I illustrate some of the food that we have in our Thanksgiving feast. The family tried and true recipes for Thanksgiving meals, like the sweet potatoes and marshmallows, for instance. That's one of my favorites. I have a great fondness for vintage magazines and the ads within them. Utilizing that style of artwork, that type style in the ads, and putting it into a page with a refrigerator full of leftovers that actually opens, not unlike this page that I've done in the past with an oven that opens. Join me for this upcoming class and let's see what we can come up with.